Hello students, I am Gayatri Miss and today I am going to teach you Moral Science of class UKG and the topic name is Cooperation. Cooperation spelling is COOPERATION Cooperation. Today I would like to explain you about that what is cooperation, how we can cooperate to each other, where we can cooperate, and as well as when we cooperate to each other, then we feel happy also. So, the first I would like to explain you that what is cooperation. Cooperation is when people work together to make their lives better. When we cooperate with each other, we are able to make and keep friends. When we are united, we always learn new things. And unity is possible with the help of cooperation. When we work together, we share each other's work and make us feel happier. So, we can tell that cooperating each other makes us happy and united. So now I would like to explain you that how can we cooperate. So see my dear children, the first line is COOPERATION cooperation WHILE while MAKING making MODEL model. Cooperation while making model. You can see in this picture. Yes. What the children are doing? Children, they are making a model. See, like in the school, you just get the project, you get the to make the model. So your teacher is telling you to make a model to complete this project. So if you will work alone on that project and model, so you will not complete on time and the perfection you will not get. But when you will work in a team, you will make a group, then you will make that model perfect. Because you all will do together and you will just give your perfect effort, then you will complete a beautiful model. Perfect model you can make. So, you can cooperate to each other when you are getting any project, you are getting any model in the school, and you can learn also that how we can cooperate to each other. Now, the next is WHILE while PLAYING playing game while playing game. You can see, dear student, in this picture what the children are doing. Children are playing a game. Which game? This is relay race. So when you play a game in a group like cricket, football, basketball, this type of the game, hockey, so there is a team and you play in a team. So if you will not cooperate to each other, then your team can never win. To get success in your life, to be winner, you should work together. You should cooperate to each other. You can see in this picture, all children are passing to each other. They are not thinking about that I will go first. They are just passing the things to their friends only. Those are going ahead. So in the same way, whenever you just play any game in a team, then you should cooperate to each other. You should not think about that only the people appreciate to me. No, you should think about your team. that my team will be winner. So when you will work like this, then definitely you will be winner and you will get success. So like this, children, you can learn to cooperate to each other, and this type of the places we should do with the cooperation. Now the next is HELP, help, TO2, SET, set, THE, the, DINNER, dinner, TABLE, table. Help to set the dinner table. You can see in this picture what the children are doing. They all are helping to each other. They all are cooperating to each other to arrange the dinner table. So dinner table, we just keep many things like bowl, plates, glasses, food items, spoon, fork, many things we need to just keep on the dining table. So if alone you will just do the work and you will arrange the dinner table, it will take time. But if you will work together with all friends, with all brother and sister, if you will help to each other and you will arrange the dinner table, it will complete within few minutes, and you can arrange in a very beautiful way also. So we should cooperate to each other in each and every work. We should do the work with cooperation. So like this, you can learn that how you should cooperate to each other. Now the next is WHILEY, DOING, doing, GROUP, group, STUDY, study. While doing group study, you can see in this picture what the children are doing. Children are helping to each other to complete their homework. And what they are doing? They are doing group study. So if anything somebody is not knowing, then other friend is coming and they are helping to each other. They are telling that if you are not knowing and I'm having that knowledge about that I'm sharing, I'm telling you. So when we are doing group study, then also we should cooperate to each other. Now the next is COOPERAT, cooperate, WITH, with, TEA, CHER, teacher, INN, CLASSROOM, classroom, cooperate with teacher in classroom. See, in this classroom there is a teacher and all are students. So see, you should cooperate with your teacher in classroom, because when the teacher started to teach to the student, so if you will disturb, if you will talk, if you will not listen properly, so teacher feel problem to explain you whatever he wants to teach. So, and you should not make your classroom dirty. But if only one student will think that I will not make this classroom dirty, then this is not possible. All together, you will not just make your classroom dirty. You just keep your classroom clean. If anything fall down anywhere, then you should take it and you should throw it in the dustbin. So like this, if you will cooperate with your teacher, if you will cooperate with your friends, then you can manage your classroom very well. So while teaching, you should cooperate with your teacher in classroom. Now, next is WHILEY, DOING, doing, CREATIVE, creative, ACTIVITY, activity, Together, together, while doing creative activity together. You can see in this picture, the children are just doing the creative work, like they are learning that musical instruments and just they are playing with the toys. They are doing just painting and they are playing with the blocks. So what they are doing, just they are helping to each other to complete, to make that model. So whenever the children are doing creative activity, when you are doing the creative activity, then you just learn how to cooperate to each other. Then you can learn the value of cooperation. So dear students, like this, we should cooperate to each other and we should complete our work very nicely with perfection. So now you will take out your Hidden Gems book, page number 13. In this page, given the heading COOPERATION Cooperation, HELPS helps, US BEB, UNITED united, AND and HAPPY happy. Cooperation helps us be united and happy. So first, I would like to explain you that what this picture is showing, what this picture is telling, and after that you will just color this all picture. So once upon a time in a playground during evening time, several children used to play many types of games. One day 3 children were playing football. You can see how many children? 3. 1, 2, 3. So, and the ball suddenly fell into a shallow hole. One boy went and tried to take the ball out, but his all tries were unsuccessful. The other 2 boys came and asked what happened. You can see this is a boy, he is trying a level best, but he is not able to take out the ball. Then why are you not bringing the ball? The child was sad and he replied, I am not able to take out this ball alone. The other 2 children smiled and replied, don't worry. If you cooperate each other, we will surely be able to take out this ball. You can see these all children are trying to take out the ball from the hole. Now, one day from this hole, one boy caught the hand of other boy so that he could easily get in the hole, and the child took the ball out and the ball given to the last child, and then the second child helped his friend from coming out of the hole. The 3 children again happily started to play with ball. So the cooperation, it is showing the cooperation helps us to be united and happy. As we saw right now, when the 3 children cooperated to each other and worked together, they were united, and when they took the ball out and started to play again, and they were very happy. So dear student, you will complete this page. You will feel color in this page. Thank you.